Naghahanap po ba ng exercise para sa ating bilbil at puson? Samahan niyo ako sa ating workout. Magpo-focus tayo sa ating bilbil. Gagawin natin ang bawat exercise ng 30 seconds, 5 minutes lang. Let's go. I-vacuum or higupin ang inyong tiyan paloob. Siguraduhin na walang space sa inyong likuran. And let's have our single shin touch. Exhale when you reach your toes or your shin.
Halfway.
30 seconds.
Three, two, one. Rest.
And rest. Next natin ang ating knee hug.
3, 2, 1. Work. Halfway. Three, two, one. Rest.
Next exercise natin, ang ating leg raise. So, mas maganda kung nakaangat ang inyong ulo para mas matarget ang ating abs. Relax lang ang inyong batok. Core tight. So, kung nahihirapan kayo, pwede nyo namang i-rest ang inyong ulo. Siguraduhin lang na naka-vacuum ang inyong tiyan. Higupin ang inyong tiyan paloob. $30 seconds.
3, 2, 1. Rest.
And rest. Next natin ang ating
3,
side to side
2, 1.
crunch.
Work.
Kahawak ang dalawang kamay. Side to side. Dito kunin sa tiyan ang puwersa, hindi sa leeg.
Halfway. Three, two, one. Rest.
Next natin ang ating knee tuck.
3, 2, 1. Work.
Modified version, single leg.
Halfway. Three, two, one. Rest.
Next natin ang ating scissors or scissors.
3, 2, 1. Work. Halfway. Three, two, one. Rest.
Next one ang ating
3,
Russian
2,
twist.
1. Work.
Let's go. Core tight. Vacuum ang inyong tiyan paloob. You can do it.
Halfway. Three, two, one. Rest.
Last exercise natin, ang ating slow bicycle.
3, 2, 1. Work.
Modified version.
Halfway. Three, two, one.
Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you on my next one.